Hey y'all, welcome back. I'm Michelle with Alaska Rural Homestead. I really hope you guys had a wonderful Christmas with your family. And if you guys have not subscribed to our channel, please do so. And don't forget to hit that bell so you can be notified when we have new videos coming out. And today's video is going to be in two different portions. And the first portion, I'm going to show you and explain to you how we make these oil lamps that are kind of rustic on our homestead. And it's never too late to start prepping for those emergencies. And it's really simple to do. The next portion of the video I will get to in a minute. But let's get busy starting these oil lamps. So some things that you're going to need for your oil lamp is you're going to need a drill with a bit. You're going to need some lamp oil. You're going to need some old bottles. Now these are just bottles that I've collected for quite some time. I am always collecting and prepping and saving certain things around the homestead just in case we have an emergency or our power goes out or something like that, which it occasionally does here because of all the wind that we have. And then some other things that you're going to need is you're going to need 100% cotton wicks. Now you could use shoestrings, but you just need to make sure that they're 100% cotton, because if they have polyester in them, then they're just not gonna burn well. It's up to you if you want to use any essential oils, but it's not really necessary. So what you're gonna do is with your bottle caps, you're just gonna drill a little hole in there, and you're just gonna feed your wick through that little hole. And then once you have that fed through your bottle cap, you're going to fill your bottles 3/4 the way full with water. And then the rest of the portion you're going to go ahead and fill with your oil. And what that does is it causes the oil to float on top of the water, which causes your wick to absorb a little bit easier. And then that's pretty much it. You just light them and they're great for emergencies. And like I said, if you wanted, you could go ahead and add essential oils. And these are really great for the summertime. If you add eucalyptus to your water, you could use peppermint, a citronella oil, anything like that. So, just make sure you check out the comments below in the video for any other ideas, or if you have any comments, please leave them. Our next portion of our video, I was kind of undecided whether to wear this shirt or not. I had received it from a friend that had given it to me for a Christmas gift. There's Charlie. So I received this shirt as a Christmas gift, and if you can read that, it says, "Give me coffee for the things I can change, and give me moonshine to accept the things that I can't." So I love my coffee, but I really could have used some good old-fashioned moonshine the other morning. Let me start off by saying, when you own a homestead, or just in life today in general, we get so busy, sometimes we get complacent, and we just try to get things done. Well, that's kind of how my morning started. It was 4 o'clock in the morning, it was 17 below, and I was trying to get the chores done, and I had bent down to pick up a piece of equipment which was 95 pounds and smashed my finger, and this is what happened. this was before Christmas, and what happened is I smashed my finger between the two pieces of equipment, and because it was 17 below, it almost split my finger open. Now, I immediately put ice on there and took a lot of the swelling and the throbbing down. But I did have to go to the emergency room, and I got it x-rayed, and luckily I did not bust my knuckle here. I did chip the bone, but I'm probably going to lose my fingernail there too. So the point I'm trying to make is sometimes in life we just need to step back, take a deep breath, and realize, you know what, the chores will get done regardless. And that's really it. We just need to step back and think about what we're doing and not get so complacent on what we're doing. So anyways, that concludes our video for today, and I do apologize for not getting a video up sooner, but hopefully you guys will like this video and give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button.